UMS Flowell. Performance under pressure. The external casing drift is an assembly tool that is used to check that the clamp and completion assembly fits inside the production casing. It can be used in the field when running in whole or in the workshop when preparing equipment. The main body is manufactured from aluminum and is robust and lightweight in its construction. The split design has a repeatable true internal diameter and is available in API casing and special drift diameters. The drift features a stainless steel latch and hinge so that it can be opened and then closed around the completion string. The spring-loaded latch mechanism ensures that the drift remains firmly closed during utilization. Here we see a UMS Flowell bypass tubing clamp, located on an ESP system. We will utilize an external casing drift to ensure that the clamp, ESP, MLE cable and bypass tubing will fit inside the production casing. Undo the spring-loaded latches and open the drift. Position the drift onto the ESP completion string and close the hinge. Once in position, the latch mechanism is engaged to ensure the drift remains firmly closed. The drift can now be slid over the clamp assembly to confirm that the completion will fit inside the production casing. To find out more about the external casing drift, please contact sales@umsflowell.com or visit our website.